Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name Muhammad Razi Ibn Azmi. So today I would like to present and explain about my minor project for course Introduction to Design. So this is my minor project report. My research actually is about mechanical motion transfer device. So there are many machines use this motion transfer mechanism such as lift, escalator, and industrial system. We go to the next page. First of all, we must know what the mean of motion transfer. In a general knowledge, the motion transfer is the system that can change the direction of motion from the rotational motion to the linear motion or vice versa. So, from the research that I will make, I find the simple machine that show the motion transfer. So the machine that I will choose is the conveyor blade. You know what the conveyor blade? So I will show you the picture of conveyor blade. So we know we always see this in my life. So first thing, there are 5 important components that include in this machine. First, we have motor. Second, pulley. Third is drive pulley. Fourth is blade. And the last is idler, which is roller. So we continue our discussion. So we go to one by one the function of main component is this machine. So the first component is motor. So the motor is generate the energy to the pulley, and it offer wide speed control, range, and constant torque regardless of load. So after the motor, the second component is pulley. So the function of pulley is used to maintain the correct blade extension, and the main function actually is the pulley is change the speed, direction of rotation, or torque turning force or torques. Next, the third component is drive pulley. So the drive pulley is generate movement that will connected to the motor. After that, the blade. This is the blade. So it's used in transportation of bulk material. So it can bring a material from this point to this point using the blade. The last component is idler, which is roller. So this is roller. The function of roller is provide the correct shaping, support, and protection of a blade conveyor. Furthermore, the function is reduce motion resistance and provide support for transfer material. We go to the last part of this main project, which is the circumferential. Today we can know how this machine work. First of all, the machine is use the power supply. So this motor will generate energy to the system. After that, when motor in the pulley operate at the same speed and spin in the same direction, the pulley start to rotate. So we can see the direction of this arrow. First from this, after that rotate the pulley. So this pulley is move, follow the spin direction of this pulley. So due to the rotation of the power pulley, so this blade is moving. So it's simple, right? How this machine did its work. Okay, after that, if the object heavy or bulky of the, or if the conveyor belt is carrying them for long distance, so it's long distance and take the long time, so we can add the roller. So the function of roller is to support the blade. so it cannot be broken for a short time. And last, the function of this idler is to operate for many thousand hours without damage the blade, so it can generate